What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. Feliz año nuevo a todos mis compas. Espero que se la hayan pasado bien chingón con toda su familia, sus amigos, abuelitas, abuelitos. So today we're gonna go pick up some wheels for the Chaser. It's really early in the morning. I found them last night on OfferUp. I really want to get them. Hopefully you guys like them, and I'll show them to you guys once we get there. Alright, broskies, so we picked up the wheels. I'll show them to you guys in a minute. Yesterday we took out the little cars to ride. Nice and washed right now. Mira nomás. Whoops. Brand new car. First day out. Ya está rayado esta madre. Okay, see, but let's see if I can show you. Christian flipped it in slow motion. Too bad I wasn't recording, pero I'll put a picture right here real quick. ¿Cómo se sintió esa madre, güey, when you flip?
I don't know.
Pretty fun?
I was able to even think like, oh fuck. Too slow.
I'm flipping over.
It doesn't count.
Yeah, it doesn't count,
It doesn't count. One, slow motion, and two, it didn't flip. It just laid down.
Yeah, pretty much. He just went like bam. That's it. But nothing really happened. This thing got pushed in a little bit. This thing right here, where you hook up the door, it was pushed in a little bit. We pulled it with the winch, and then bam, like nothing happened. We got a chill Sunday today. Got a lot done. And after we put them away, I think I'm gonna wash the trailer and the truck. Trailer needs some welding. I cut my grass. I did laundry. Just kidding. I don't do laundry. But yeah, broskies, I didn't really film yesterday because I kind of feel like you guys don't like it when I film off-roading stuff. Well, some of you guys do, but not everybody. So that's why I didn't film yesterday. But I got a little scratch right here también. Like, we had fun yesterday. Picture didn't happen. You guys ready to see my wheels? Woo! Hope you guys like them. I like them a lot. Una, dos, tres. Mira nomás, papá. Mira nomás. Mira nomás. They're just a little bit too dirty. Well, a lot. I'm gonna try to clean them up right now. A ver cómo se ven. There's only one little issue that I didn't tell you guys. The bolt pattern is not the right one for the Chaser. It's a 5x120 and the Chaser is 5x114. So I'm gonna see if I can buy some adapters and then slap them on. But if I don't like how they fit because the spacer's too big or whatever, then I might just sell them, or I might even raffle them. Hopefully they fit, because I really like them a lot. And tires are pretty big. These are 18s by 9.5 with the 275/35/18. Pinche Chris se la rifó con la lavada. Ya nomás. Damn, Zeddy. Damn, Zeddy. For now, así se va a quedar este yonke. I'm gonna make another video pretty soon. Going around the car, walk around, and then I'll show you guys the motor, and then I'll show you all the specs, suspension, and everything. So wait on that next video. I just gotta wait on Amador so he can help me film. Alright, broskies, 2 days later, and look what I got here. I got the spacer adapters for the wheels. We're gonna slap them on right now, and we'll see how she looks. So right here we have our adapters, spacers. So these are 5x114 to 5x120. This is gonna allow me to run my TEs on this car. So 5x120 comes in the new Type R cars. I don't know why they changed it. Most Civics that are 5 lug, they're like 5x114. So crazy, huh? It's yeah, it kind of looks like a Camry.
Yeah,
All right, broskies, one down, one more to go. But I'm gonna have to get new lug nuts because adapters are 5 or 12 by 150. So I'm gonna have to get new lug nuts. But I'll put on one side and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, broskies, both wheels are on. What do you guys think? C or C? Check out that fitment though. In the front, look at the rear. In the rear, it's pretty flush, pretty good. In the front, they stick out a little bit because of the angle kit, but I think it's still good. Right there, look. Sticks out a little bit. In the rear, it's chingon. They look alright in my opinion. I mean, I guess if I get tired of them, I could always like sell them or raffle them. But for now, I think they're cool. But yeah, broski, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels. If you guys like them, drop a like. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.